Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change text size on Apple Watch Series 9. So for the end of this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and press the digital crown once to exit the watch face. Locate and click on the settings icon. On the settings page, scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to display and brightness. Click on that. Now under display and brightness, locate text size and click on it. Once you selected text, I should say app that support dynamic type will adjust to your preferred reading size. So to increase the text size, click on this button and I should say your text size increased. Now if you want to use the default text size, just reduce it, and once it gets to default, you should say default. So that is the default text size. So with this, you can increase or decrease text size on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.